Okay, so good morning. My name is Alok, and this is Waking Wise channel. And our entire objective is Vedant. Can I request all the participants to mute the microphones so that we can go ahead with the chapter? Uh, as we do regularly, this is how it is. Sit back straight with your spine straight. Sit back with your spine straight. Sit back where you keep the L5S1 yoga. L5S1 straight. L5S1 straight, which is this. Do not bend your spine. Do not bend your spine. Right. So keep your spine straight, your shoulders straight, your your chest up, your neck up, and take 3 long breaths. Purakaha. Purak means inhalation. Take it for 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Re chakaha. Exhale. Purakaha. Inhale for 3, 5, 7, 10 seconds. Exhale. Re chakaha. Exhale for 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 10 seconds. The ratio has to be the same. 5 seconds inhalations, 5 seconds exhalations. 7 सेकंड का पूरक, 7 सेकंड का रेचक. 10 सेकंड का पूरक, 10 सेकंड का रेचक. पूरकः. रेचकः. पूरकः. रेचकः. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. This is Abhyandar Pranayam, the yogic breathing science. Purakaha. Fill up your tummy. Fill up your chest. Fill up your shoulders. Exhale. Exit from the shoulders. Exit from the chest. Exit from the tummy. Purakaha. Fill up the tummy. Fill up the chest. Fill up the shoulders. Re chakaha. As long as you can breathe, as deep as you can breathe, the deeper you will go inside yourself. Purakaha. Re chakaha. I will not repeat the word Purak Rechak henceforth. During the session completely, you have to go forward and keep doing the breathing. You have to keep taking deep and long breath. In between, agar man bhatak raha hai, the mind is wavering, right? Bring the mind back to the breath. Tell the mind, I am doing deep and long breathing and I am doing meditation. So you have two choices. Either you stay in the breath or you come along with me in the meditation. Purakaha. Re chakaha. Today's episode talks about yoga. आज का दिन एक अंतरराष्ट्रीय योग दिवस है. पूरकः. ये जो आप श्वास और प्रश्वास कर रहे हैं, ये दिव्य श्वास और प्रश्वास है. रेचकः. जितनी दूषित वायु है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, उसको आप शरीर से निकाल रहे हैं. पूरकः. कीप इनहेलिंग the divine energy of the universe. Rechakah. मन नहीं मानेगा. Keep the mind aside. It's the nature of the mind to reject any new notion. पूरकः रेचकः. With the breath, we align and join with the universe. The body joins the universe, the external universe, with the breath. The joining tool, the adhesive, is the breath. Keep on breathing. I will not say Pura Karechak. This is what the whole existence of the body this side is, and this is what the whole existence of the universe this side is. And the breath becomes a bond. It is the breath that connects the body, mind, intellect mechanism to the universe, the external material world. Keep on breathing. Deeper the breath, deeper the association, deeper the dialogue, deeper the joint, righter the breath. This is the right mechanism of breathing. Right? Abhyandar pranayama. Purakaha. Keep on breathing. And when you breathe right, you live right. Right? Now, go back to your mind. See what the mind is doing. You find out that the mind is wavering, sometimes in the breath, sometimes outside, sometimes in other set of discussions. Right? It is coming back to its pure nature of either the past or the future. भूत का शोक, वर्तमान का मोह, भविष्य का भय. Right? The repentance of the past, the attachment of the present, and the fear of the future. This is what the nature of the mind is. Observe it for 2 minutes, it will dissolve. You have that power to observe the mind. आप दृष्टा हैं, आप मन नहीं है. अगर आपने मन को देखा तो वो भूत में और भविष्य में जाना बंद कर देगा, वो क्रिया में आ जाएगा. और क्रिया क्या हो रही है? श्वास प्रश्वास. क्रिया में ध्यान, क्रिया में ध्यान, क्रिया में ध्यान. सतर्कता, सतर्कता, सतर्कता. सजगता, सजगता, सजगता. Awareness, alertness. Observe the breath. Whenever you are taking the breath inside, the mind is going somewhere. Whenever you are taking the breath outside, the mind is going somewhere. If you take inhalation, the mind will go into the past. If you exhale, the mind will go into the future. Bring the mind to such a present state of awareness that with every breath you feel the stomach filling up, the chest filling up, the shoulders filling up. If you do it right, you connect with the divine energy, the divine power of universe. प्रातः काल उठे भगवाना, प्रातः काल उठे भगवाना, श्वास प्रश्वास निज धीरण रामा. The lords of the world, all lords of the world, they wake up in the morning, they do shwas prashwas. This is what you're doing. If you are doing it right, you're joining with the inhalations and exhalations of your divine Lord. Right? Your divine Lord exists in the ethereal plane, and he or she breathes in that format. Although the breath is different, उनका श्वास प्रश्वास अलग है. आपको अपना श्वास प्रश्वास देखना है. आप अपना श्वास प्रश्वास सही कर लें, आप उनके श्वास प्रश्वास से जुड़ जाएंगे. ये आपको करना है. पूरा कह. अब आप श्वास लीजिए, लंबी गहरी सांस. हे चकह. Visualize the entire energy of your divine coming inside. Try and sync your breath pattern with your breathing pattern of your divine. Slowly and steadily, you will feel that the breath is the same breath which your divine is inhaling. Purakaha. Rechakaha. He inhales all your worries, he exits all pleasures to you. Right? If you allow your inhalations to map and merge with his inhalations, you get whatever you want in life. Rechakaha. If you surrender your entire life, body, and mind and ego to your divine, you immediately connect with the universal self, with yourself. पूरकः श्वास को जोड़ दें दिव्य श्वास से। रेचकः इससे बड़ा कोई योग नहीं है। हाँ, आसन आप कर लें, प्राणायाम आप कर लें, योग की मुद्राएं ध्यान आप कर लें, लेकिन आपकी अपनी श्वास अगर दिव्य श्वास बन गई, इससे बड़ा कोई योग नहीं। पूरकः if you can merge your breath with the divine breath, with the divine will, your breath will become divine. And there is no bigger bond, there is no bigger yoga than this kind of yoga. Merging yourself. Slowly you'll find that the mind is also surrendering to the breath. The intellect is also surrendering to this thought of merging with the divine. My breath and divine breath, they two have not become two, they have become one. I am breathing in sync with the universal breathing. Their sufferings are mine, my sufferings are theirs. मेरी श्वास प्रश्वास विश्व के पूरक और रेचक से जुड़ रही है। उनके दुख दर्द मेरे हैं, मेरे दुख दर्द उनके हैं। मैं उनके साथ जुड़ के एक हो रहा हूँ। ये एकता का भाव है। पूरकः रेचकः Now what you're breathing is not normal Purak Rechak, this is divine Purak and Rechak. Purakaha Rechakaha Purakaha Rechakaha. The mind will waver, but that's perfectly fine. The mind will waver, but that's perfectly fine. आपका मन कहीं ना कहीं तो जाएगा ही, अब वो दिव्य हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अब आप अपने मन को श्वास प्रश्वास में डाल दीजिए। अब इस मंथन में से, इस अग्नि में से जो मन निकला, इस अग्नि में से, इस मर्जर में से, दिस जॉइनिंग ऑफ टू ब्रेथ में से जो माइंड बाहर निकला, नाउ दिस इज अ डिवाइन माइंड. इट कैन फुलफिल एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. You ask the mind that fulfill this, and it will fulfill it for you. It is free from all sorrows and miseries and distress. Right? Now it is a happy and a bliss mind. It's completely happy. It's completely silent. Why? Because you have merged your breath with the divine breath, and you can feel your body is becoming divine. Because you're no longer in this body then. Feel the divine. Feel your body merging with the divine body. This is true yoga. Stay in this particular place, in space. In this space, you can stay as long as you want. Stay as long as you want. श्वास प्रश्वास, आपकी श्वास दिव्य श्वास से मिल रही है, आपकी प्रश्वास दिव्य प्रश्वास से मिल रही है। ये जो आप श्वास ले रहे हैं, आप जो श्वास ले रहे हैं और जो दिव्य श्वास चल रही है, दोनों एक मिलके एक साथ चल रही है. The two breaths have joined together. Fold your hands and submit to your divine, saying that I got the opportunity to come inside your body. आप अपने दिव्य इष्ट को प्रणाम करिए और उनको धन्यवाद दीजिए कि मुझे आपकी श्वास के साथ मिलने का अवसर मिला. तू वर्क गिरा मैं जल जाऊं, तेरा हूं तुझी में मिल जाऊं, हो हमसे गिला और तू बख्शे, ये रोज रोज का झगड़ा कौन करे. अपने सारे दुख दर्द कष्ट अपने दिव्य इष्ट को सबमिट कर दें. Surrender your entire problems in life to your divine, and you'll feel that those are being solved by His grace, His will. आप इस स्थिति में समय और अनुकूलता हिसाब से और ज्यादा रह सकते हैं. धीरे धीरे अब अपने मन को अपने इष्ट के चरणों में से बाहर निकालें. माथा टेकते हुए, शीश वंदन करते हुए. Exit your breath from the footsteps of your divine by bowing your head. Come back to your own breath. Come back to your own breath. Take a deep, long breath. Thank your breath. Thank your mind for this entire journey. Whatever crooked the journey was, अपने श्वास प्रश्वास को, अपनी श्वास श्वसन क्रिया को, अपने मन को आभार प्रकट करें. भले ही उसमें कितनी भी त्रुटि है, वो त्रुटि भी आप ही की है और वो त्रुटि भी आप स्वयं ले लेंगे. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद. Slowly rub your hands. Put it on your face, on your body, on your mind. Open your eyes. And we are done with the session. Any questions which I can quickly answer? Any questions which I can quickly answer? Kunal, Sanjay, Rajan, AJ, JD, Jaydeep. Any questions? No? So we end up with today's meditation and we look forward to have you again. Wish you a happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.
Thank you.